Hey friends, welcome to Wifey Mom TV. So today I wanted to share with you a sweet pumpkin casserole. It's from Miss Criddle's Kitchen. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I did go ahead and create a Pinterest account with Wifey Mom TV. That's what it's called, so if you want to look me up. And as I'm creating recipes, or I'm not creating because I'm not creating them, I'm just making them. I'm finding recipes on Pinterest and I'm going to put them in my meal plan. And as I talk about them, I'm going to pin them so you guys can see the same recipes and make them if you're interested in them. So for this recipe you need pumpkin puree. So for this, these are, if you can see that, 15-ounce cans. So I just left a little bit in one of these cans because you only need 29 ounces of pumpkin for this. And then you need some pecans, you need some maple extract, you need some ground cinnamon, some vanilla, some butter, some gentle sweet, ground nutmeg, and heavy whipping cream. So I kind of have all of that in my bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and start combining that and mixing it up. So again, you need 29 ounces of canned pumpkin, a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 egg, a quarter cup of gentle sweet plus a tablespoon of gentle sweet, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, a pinch of salt, and that is how you make the inside. Then I'm going to take this pan, I'm going to put some butter in there, and then I'm going to, after I mix this up well, I'm going to put this mixture in there, and I'm going to put it in the oven for, I believe it was 355 or 375, but that's where I'm at right now. So thanks for watching me, and I'll be back in a minute to show you the rest. Alright, so I've got my pumpkin mixture in here, and now I need 2 cups of chopped, you can use walnuts or pecans, a quarter cup of gentle sweet, a sprinkle of cinnamon and nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of maple flavoring, and half a cup of butter and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and whip that together, and then you just put that on top of this, and then you do bake it for 375 for 30 minutes. And that is how you make this. I will come back and show you when I'm finished what the end product looks like. So this is what it looks like before I put it in the oven. I thought I would show it to you before I actually stick it into the oven, and then as soon as it's out, I will show you the rest. Alright, 30 minutes later, just took it out of the oven, and it's all sizzly, and it smells so good. I cannot wait to dig into this. Yeah, I just wanted to share this recipe with you guys. It's the first time I've tried it, and I am super excited about it. So that is what it looks like, just to kind of zoom in a little bit. Sweet potato casserole by Miss Criddle's Kitchen, and again, I found this on